Shit. You
I know, those things.
27?
Yeah.
So I guess I can have my friend meet me.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
I'm filming the elevator.
Anyway, good luck.
Thank you. So here is a bank of 6, though. There's more elevators here. This is crazy. The banks in this hotel are massive. Same cabs as the other tower. This is the Habitat Tower. Another bank of 12. These were also US, I think. Maybe the other ones were US, but these definitely were. Express zone for 2 floors. Funny how Schindler says easy. Yeah, these were definitely US.
Thank you.
No problem. Crazy. Big ass elevator bank.